my thing is on Teshuvah, regarding the topic causing our own suffering. When it's regarding to that, if we can cause our own suffering, like studying, getting up earlier, or studying Torah at an inconvenient time, does it also go with, also, let's say there's a certain, I don't know, in this generation, most the things we see, I don't know, wasting seed, I don't know, like if you support, I think it also goes with Tzedakah, like if you support a key roof of Tikkun avert, it also goes with your Teshuvah, correct?
Of course, yes.
Okay.
So it's we have to understand what concept. Since you asked this question, I'll go a little further. So we have to understand the concept of the money. The person, to get the money, has to spend a certain amount of time of his life. So his life is this money, and maybe there are easy jobs when you don't have to suffer. But somebody asked me, one of my students asked, she's working from home now and getting okay salary, not too much, but okay to survive. And now they offer, and like I don't know how much more. She didn't ask. She didn't tell me how much more, but it's like two hours one way, like commute. I say, you normal because of the money. Now you're able to learn. You're able to pray. You're able to cook for the family. You're going to travel 2 hours one way because of the money. And who said they're going to pay you? And it's plus commission. Like you understand? So that's all suffering. That's all suffering to get let's say. But many people do travel, commute 2 hours one way. Understand? So it's all suffering to get the money, and then you give this suffering, right? So this money to somebody, to as you said, to Tikkun Chabrit. Absolutely, it is suffering.
So Rabbi, also I'm guessing with to go with the Teshuvah, you have to give enough money that it well, I don't know if this book explains it. Like it kind of like hurts you a little bit when you're giving it.
I mean, if you give a 10%, let's say minimum is 10% from the gross, it's a lot of money. It should hurt.
Okay.
You understand? So there is we're going to okay. You're asking the question that much ahead, but just quick like one synopsis, right? So. You can gross meaning that you can subtract for example not subtract. So you have to like calculate also insurance, right? So for example, your company buys for you medical insurance and they pay I don't know, let's say $500. So but if you yourself would buy yourself medical insurance, let's say you would pay only $300. So $300. So you need to calculate. It's in addition to money. In addition to the salary. So it's not so simple. So when you calculate this 10%, forget about 20, I'm not okay, but even 10%, it's a very, very sizable amount.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome. But of course, we're going to go into details, is all of the calculations, how to calculate your Maaser and Tzedakah. Tzedakah, we're not going to calculate Tzedakah, Maaser, 10%. Okay.